Hi there guys, my name is Colin. Welcome back to another video on Bricks and Blocks. Today I'm going to be doing the 6-minute challenge. I've already done the 8-minute challenge, I've already done the 7-minute challenge, and so this time I'm going to be doing the 6-minute building challenge. We have a timer, same deck of thing of cards, except for this time this card, the beach card that was in the last video of this, will not be in there, and a completely different box of Legos. So let's just set the timer to 6 minutes. So now it's time for me to get building. Oh, I almost forgot. So just pick a card, store. Okay, so put these away, store. I need to give myself a little extra time because that took a little bit of time, but okay, so store. What kind of store? Need to get some minifigs to do it. I'll make it a store. This is like the worst possible bucket for store. Some bricks. Some platforms. I have an idea. I'll make it a store on a boat. Just because there's a surfboard and a guy without a shirt that I found. Okay. A boat. So, I just recently posted a video on one of the Infinity War sets. So, after this video, go check that video out. And if y'all want me to do more reviews on the Infinity War sets, then give that video some support, because the audience, it's YouTube. Why I have a YouTube channel is because it's fun for me, but I also kind of want to know what the audience would like to see, because it's no fun to make a YouTube channel about stuff that nobody likes. But yeah, I just need to know what people want to see on this channel. So go to my other videos and support the videos you like and you want more of, because I can definitely do more mocks, more reviews, more timed building challenges. Yeah, y'all want to see me do that, then I can definitely do more stuff. So, let's see, I have 3 minutes left. Also, so my friend has if you've seen some of my other videos, then you've heard this before, but my friend also has a YouTube channel. His name is Ben, and his channel is called Game On. I'll leave a link to that channel in this at the end of this video. So, if you've seen his channel and you want me to do a collab with him, I'll try to do that, because we've been talking about possibly doing that. So if y'all would like to see that, we could do like both trying to do a timed building thing together or something. So if y'all would like to see that, then support this video and go over and support him if you'd like to see that. Oh crap. Store. What's this store even gonna sell? Water? Could sell water, but it's a boat. So it's not like there's a limited amount of that. Oh, 1 minute. Whatever, it's just gonna be a water store. Water bottles. Let's see. Oh, here's something. Looks like a good water bottle. Guess they're all gonna be bold. Okay. Well, this is the boat. That's all I have. It's just a boat that sells water. Shut up, timer. Oh, it's a boat that sells water and food. It's a little, I guess it can be a swim up bar on a boat. Then here's the customer. This is probably the worst build I've done in all of my 3 building challenges. But whatever. So, yeah. Hope you guys like this video. And like I said, I'll leave a link right about now to my friend's channel. And so, yeah, support this video if you want more. Support my other videos if you want more of those. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.